High school life, all my high school days, all my high school days, anxiety days. There are times may problema na kung ang homework left undone. Pray ka lang, huwag tawagin ka upang di mo tawanan. High school love, my one high school love, not infatuation or crush. Tunay ko siya ang buhay ko, di niya lang ako'y nag-blush. Bakit nga ba ang first love ko ay di
Love you, Sharon!
DJ Stan po ang unang-una kong album. Kasama ko po si Boss Nick De Rosario noon. 1978 po ang taon. At hindi pa nga po ako teenager noon. I'm sorry, Nay, pwede yung urong kayo? Can my boss sit up front here, please? Boss, transfer po here, Boss Vic, please. I'd like to see you here. My boss, Vic De Rosario. We have tampuhan always, but that's like daddy and daughter. Is the company I really have tampo too. Boss Vic, can you fix the company's mali? You love me naman eh. Missed you, boss. Sige na, boss. These songs are for you eh. I made them with you in Blackboard and Diva. Mr. Vic De Rosario, mga kaibigan, na nagdala po sa inyong lahat ng aking pelikula from PS I Love You. Thank you, boss. Yan. I was 12 years old and I was singing about first loves and first heartaches.